Yo, my name is Harry and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the water drop sound in just 1 minute. So, all you have to do is to make your mouth like a pea shooter, like this. Just extend your lip as far as you can. Then, do a click. Combine the click with the pea shooter mouth like this. Once you are familiar with the movement, remove the click, like this. Then, just flip the cheek with your finger. If you want to know how to do the water drop sound without using your hand, click on this video.